In part 1, we created the basic structure of our WordPress plugin and properly loaded our CSS and JavaScript file. But right now, our plugin doesn't actually do anything because of we haven't write any kind of code. So in this part, we are going to build the main feature. We are going to create a reading progress bar that automatically shows how much of an article the visitor has read. And once again, we'll use ChatGPT to help us build it step by step. So this is the main plugin structure that we have built, and this is the plugins that is showing in our dashboard. And this is the last command that we give for our plugins. Now I will ask ChatGPT, okay, what will be the next step for building this plugin? So, and I will give a precise command prompt to the ChatGPT. So I'll ask him that, okay, what would be the next things that I could do for building my plugin? I can ask that, and I think you can give me the front end markup that is needed for the plugin, and please show me also where to put that HTML markup. Okay, so we're asking that what could be the next thing that I can do, and I am also telling ChatGPT to, okay, we can add the markup that is needed for output. So I will give the command. Then as you can see, then it is at this point the next logical step to build front end structure, as I told you now. So I will go for the front end structure, and it is saying that for example, the front end class contain a method for responsible output the markup. So this is the markup that it show. And okay, it has give me a hint that, okay, we can put this markup in class Readify frontend.php now. But it will not work because we need the hook also. Give me proper code how to place the markup so it show in front end and works perfectly. So after giving these commands, since your CSS and JS are already being enqueued, the next step to create the front end markup. So for creating the front end markup inside the class Readify frontend.php, here's the things that need to be done. So I will just copy this code and paste it in here with class Readify frontend.php. So in public, so it includes frontend.php, and I will paste it. Okay, now I will go again here and load the frontend class. So in the Readify reading progress.php file, I will place this code again. So I'll copy it and I'll go here in here and I will paste the code here. Okay, then let's see. So our main plugin will look like this, as you can see. Now your and also the existing asset in queue, I will keep it like this. So the current structure is like this, as you can see. What happens now? The body, you can read it more and do that, but I will go. Now I will ask that, can I check my front end that is it printing on the output? Can I check my output for the plugin. Yes, okay. If I now go and check it, and if I inspect it now, then as you can see, this Readify progress bar area hidden is equal true, and you can see the markup as well. It is coming now. Now I will write the CSS and JS. So I will tell ChatGPT again. Okay. I can see my markup. It's working fine. Now I want to write the CSS. So give me the CSS and make sure it looks nice on the front end. Okay. So okay, in the asset CSS style.css, I will copy this code and paste it. So if I copy it and paste it in assets CSS style.css, I will just paste the code. Maybe in here I need to remove it, and in here I need to remove it. Okay, now it's perfect. Now if I go at the output and give a refresh, then as you see, the width is 0, height is 100%, but width, okay, and it is saying that okay, something like 25%, I have to add the JS, otherwise it will not work perfectly. So let me add the JS, then I will check and fix the issues if anything needed. So give me the JS code. So when ISCRO double scroll, then the bar works fine. Okay, now the JS part that is needed. So I will copy this JS and assets JS from script.js. Assets JS script.js, I will paste it. Same, there is some problem, so I'll just remove it. At the top there is some problem here. Now this is the JS that I need. So if I go now and give a refresh, now I now obviously I will have to go to for a long blog post. So I will create a long blog post. As you can see, it is generating a long blog post. So I will copy this and I will just paste it here with a long blog post, and this is the title that I'll set here, and I'll publish it. And then if I refresh, then as you can see another post. So if I go here and if I try to scroll, then you can see it. As you can see now, when I am scrolling, the bar of the scroll bar, it is appearing here like this. Okay, it's fine. And if I inspect it, then you can see it that okay, this is the this is coming from our plugins. If I remove the CSS, as you can see, I am just testing it that okay, this is our plugins that is working. So this, as you can see here in the top, I can make it the height a little bit more with the CSS so we can understand it more. Height is 4 pixel. So I will make the height to like at least 20 pixels so we can understand it more properly. So I will give a refresh again, and as you can see it now. Okay, so this is how we can build it. As you can see, we have built the plugin. The problem is if we go to another pages, something like if we go to my home pages, still this output is coming here, but I don't want that. I want only when if I go to the single post on that time this will come, otherwise on other pages it will not come. So I'll go here and ask ChatGPT, okay, it is working all of my website, so I want that. Okay, let me write the command, then we will proceed on. Mm, it's working fine, but it is working all over my website. I want it to only work for my single blog post. Blog post. So where will I make the changes? Okay. So okay, it has give me a changes here in the class Readify frontend.php. Use the command prompt. So I'll copy it, and or you can, as you can see here, you can copy the full code. So I'll copy the full code in the class Readify frontend.php. So I will go here in class Readify frontend.php and I will replace the code. And if I go to my plugin again, and if I go to the home page, okay, the bar is not coming. If I go to details page and if I start scroll, then you can see the bar is working perfectly. Okay, our plugin is working perfectly, but another thing that remaining is, if you want to give the options at the admin panel that okay, change the color or change the height, that option is not made. So in the next part I will do that part also. So thank you very much, see you in the part 3.